zoom in the screen while using Microsoft Excel. Now, as you work with the software, you might need to see your data clearer, okay? You might need to have them more visible to you. So what you do is to just zoom into the screen. You see that you click on this, you can see the plus sign here. You can see that you're zooming into it. You used to reduce it. You can click and drag, okay, like that, and to the right, okay, to zoom into the screen. The faster way is to just hold your control key, okay, and scroll towards yourself to reduce the size. You scroll away from yourself while holding down the control key, okay, to zoom into the screen. There's it. Make your data larger, okay, make them more visible. You can see A, B, C, D, they are bigger like this. So when you're working, you can always adjust the size of the text on the screen by holding down your control key and scrolling your mouse, okay. Meanwhile, this does not affect the size of the text. It is 11 here, it remains 11. If you're sending it to the printer, it's going to be 11 points. If you want to increase the font size, okay, by the time you print, you must come here, okay, and increase it here. Okay, this 16, for example, this is what will make impact by the time you are printing it out. But if you are just zooming, if you're just zooming on your into your screen and you're zooming out, it does not affect the size of the text. Okay, so zooming your screen helps you to see clearly or see a given part of what you're working on.